So you're ready to build a website for your business, but now you're stuck on a simple question. Should it be a one-pager or a full-blown multi-page site? The wrong choice could cost you leads, slow down your site, or just confuse your visitors. But the right one, it could convert better, load faster, and actually help you grow. Let's break it down so you can make the smart call. Hey, I'm Rob McDonald, founder of WPH Solutions. I help small business owners build faster, more secure, and more effective WordPress websites. Today, we're diving into a common question. Should you build a one-page site or go with a full multi-page setup? Let's start with the one-page site. It's clean and simple. Everything lives on one page. You just scroll down to the home, the about page, services, contact sections. This setup works great if you're just starting out, have a tight offer, or just want a fast, mobile-friendly online presence. It loads fast, it's easy to manage, and honestly, it works well if done right. But here's the catch. If your business is growing, or if you offer more than one product or service, you might hit a wall. That's where a multi-page site shines. You can create a page for each service, which helps you explain things clearly and builds trust with your visitors. It's also better for SEO. Google loves structured content, and it gives users more ways to explore your brand. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you own a cleaning business. You offer home cleaning, office cleaning, and move-out services. It makes way more sense to have a separate page for each one. Each page can answer unique questions, target different keywords, and speak to different types of clients. That builds trust and brings in more traffic. Now keep in mind, more pages means more content, more planning, and more upkeep, and a bit more cost up front. So here's my take. Go one page if you're just starting, have one clear offer, or need a quick site for a campaign. Go multi-page if you want to grow, rank better on Google, and explain your services in more detail. At WPH Solutions, I'll help you pick the right setup for your goals and build it to perform, whether it's a one page or 10. If you're still unsure what direction to go, visit my website and let's figure it out together. And if this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe. I've got more WordPress tips and simple web advice coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.